Hi everyone. In my last episode, we went through with Cursor implementing a plan which involved an auth uh, set of libraries which would enable my front end applications to use one of many providers. Um, we implemented with of course Cursor implemented it, but I I went through with it and I devised a plan and then agreed on that plan, reviewed it, and Cursor implemented it. Very good teammate, thank you. But this is a set of auth libraries, and the core library is framework agnostic. It's TypeScript, and it works or enables multiple providers. You can see these for now. I have experience only with Auth 0, but the others are new to me, so I will be working with them. And then the other three are lightweight wrappers to enable using this in multi different frameworks: React, Next.js, and Vue. And I have a React template app, just a boilerplate app. And today's task is to test this system with this. So currently, this is a just ugly as hell app. Doesn't have an auth right now or a user login or authentication. So the task is to implement that today using my new setup. The main feature of this whole system is that, which Cursor implemented for me just a few hours ago, is that this core auth library is going to provide UI, core UI, headless UI components, uh, or provide the provider specific UI components. So if you remember, or if you know, some of these providers provide their own components. The others host their components and redirect user to log in there, and after authentication, they redirect the user to our website again. It's a pretty different experience, so I wanted to unify it with just providing um, by making this core auth library provide components if they are available and provided by the providers, and if not, then surface our own custom built components. So today's task is to test it with my React app. So let's go check this out uh, and implement it. Okay, so this was I asked it what is the next step, and it tells me, yeah, whatever. um, this is it. So let me ask it to do something. All right, so this is my prompt after reading what it is asking me to answer. I'm saying add the demo page and gate the existing page, which is this one behind user authentication. And on the new demo page, I wanted to provide four different UI, separate one for each provider. But we will implement it step by step, starting with clerk because they already have UI components, and then moving on to stitch. Those two in my view are best positioned to test this library because they already have UI components. um, Remember, the purpose of my library system is that it's a unified UI. So we will see what we see, and then it will move on to auth 0 and then fusion auth. And let's send this and see what happens. Okay, it says I will create the auth demo page. Let's see. That looks good to me. What the next step is? Well, here you go. So the UI is showing here. It changed the UI. Okay. Okay, now create env. Okay. Installing some dependencies. Okay, moving. Let's see. So while that is running, let's review what it has built.